Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Morses, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. Of course, we've had a tornado watch here overnight and a line of thunderstorms moving through. Tornado watch will expire at 4 a.m., and the threat for any severe weather will close pretty quickly as we continue through the morning. We actually will see some sunshine and pretty pleasant temperatures later this afternoon once the dry air begins to arrive behind this front, which is already happening across Oklahoma as well as East Texas. So through, I would say, mid-morning here, the threat of any severe weather would probably stay south of I-20 in northwest Louisiana, but I would say that threat's coming to an end pretty quickly for us. So most of the rain should be out of here by about 9 a.m., if not 9, probably as soon as 10 a.m. or so. So we should start getting some sunshine back through the morning. Your temperatures will definitely be cooler than the weekend. We'll get a one-day reprieve here from the heat and humidity as this afternoon most of us in the low to mid 80s should feel pretty pleasant, and we'll have that breezy west and northwest wind through about 4 or 5 p.m. today. So breezy, but not overly windy this afternoon. You can see this little dip in the jet stream. That's what we call that upper level low, which is kind of driving this cold front through the region. A lot of dry air taking over behind this today, which is why we'll actually see the sun come back out, and the morning temperatures will still be running pretty warm today, as most of us at sunrise will be in the 60s as well as the low 70s, and you can see the winds already cranked up this morning about 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that wind will turn to the west later today, but probably stay in that 10 mile per hour range. So this weekend we were hitting 90 degrees with pretty regularity, and we saw that on Friday as well. So this little mini heat wave that we were in will come to an end today. Still pretty warm for Shreveport at 86, and we have a few locations in the 70s north of I-30, including 79 in Idabel today, and the humidity will be noticeably lower thanks to that dry west wind kicking in. So a look at your Robinson Futurecast. It carries all the rain out of here well before the noon hour today, and you can see what may actually be mostly sunny skies through the afternoon. So a pretty big change in the weather pattern here over the last 24 hours. Enjoy the sunshine today. This very same cold front that's bringing some of the rain this morning is actually going to come back as a warm front tomorrow. So I think Futurecast here is maybe a little bit underdone on the rainfall. I think we'll see some thunderstorms by late tomorrow morning, early tomorrow afternoon, and we'll keep that thunderstorm chance going through Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. Won't be a washout, won't be any heavy rain out there, but the storms very well could bring some gusty winds and lightning. There's no anticipation that we'll see any kind of severe weather with this front, the warm front, moving through tomorrow. Late this week, we do have a cold front which will start to move in Thursday and Friday. The front's actually going to stall here in Oklahoma and Texas through the middle of the week, and there's actually a hurricane that's down near Mexico, which will feed some of that tropical air into the front. So you can see over towards the Dallas area, they're actually looking at some heavy rain through the week here. I show you this to say, with that slow-moving front out there, if it winds up maybe 50 to 100 miles further to the east, we can't rule out maybe some late week heavy rain north of I-30, but the way things are looking for us now, most of those areas north of I-30 should average an inch or two of rain through Friday night, with most of this again coming Thursday and Friday, but a little bit of rain Tuesday included in this map as well. So I think we'll avoid any threat for any flash flooding, but it is something we'll have to watch late this week. And the front late this week doesn't have the same kind of ingredients with the one we're seeing this morning, so I would expect the threat for severe weather will be very low with the front later this week. But this late week front sure going to give us some great fall-like weather for the upcoming weekend. It will stay pretty warm and humid likely through Thursday, but we may begin to feel those temperatures drop off by Friday afternoon, and just a perfect fall weekend here. We'll have temperatures in the 70s with lots of sunshine next Saturday and Sunday, and actually we'll have overnight lows as we head into the weekend in the 40s and 50s.